Hi everyone, welcome back to Marcia's Cooking. If you have tried this dish before in a Korean restaurant, you will all agree this dish deserves a big thumbs up. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make this beautiful savory Korean seafood pancake. Are you ready? This pancake batter enhances the flavor of the pancake, but it is so versatile that it can be used as dry or wet batter in deep frying or in making some pancakes or fritters when you want to add extra garlickish or a little subtle undertone of spicy and smoky flavor, and to give lightness and crispiness to the final product. Once I made the deep fried chicken with this batter recipe, it was amazing. Anyway, putting the chicken aside, let's get back to our pancake. The vegetables I'm using here are mainly spring onions, some chilies if you like little spiciness, and some carrots to add a little bit of color to it. The most important essential vegetable here is the spring onions, but you can skip all other vegetables if you like. You can use a fresh marinara mix. It can be any mix of your choice, but mussels and prawns are very important ingredients to make this beautiful flavor-packed seafood pancake. to show you how to make two different types of dipping sauces. The dipping sauce one is a liquidy, watery type of sauce. The ratio between soy sauce and vinegar is 2:1. The sauce too has a thicker, smooth, viscous consistency. Basically, add Sansen gum to soy sauce and vinegar mix. Sansen gum is a perfectly safe food additive, popularly being used as gluten-free thickener and stabilizer. If you want to create a pleasant, smooth mouthfeel and viscous consistency, this is a perfect food additive. A tiny little amount of Sansen gum can go a long way. Rule of thumb, 1 gram to 1 cup of liquid will be enough. It can clamp up in liquid, so use a blender, or it disperses easily in fat. I hope you enjoy my recipe today. Share with me what Korean pancake you have tried and what's your favorite. And for me, this is my favorite, the seafood Korean pancake. I'm pretty sure you and your family fall in love with this recipe and surprised how easy it is to make the beautiful savory Korean pancake with such a simple ingredient. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of an easy and delicious healthy recipe in the future. Thank you for stopping by. See you next time. Bye!